Hello, YouTube and X. It's your main man, BTM here, bringing you back to the BTM Crypto News Network. Happy Monday. Let's go. So this video is about XRP accumulates. Whales sell and drops 93%. So these guys are starting to hold on to more, right? The whales are hanging in there waiting for this price to pump. Is $4 within reach. So let me know what you guys think about that. I got a couple articles to look at. So don't forget to sign up for the Black Tiger Miner Crypto News Network on X to stay current on your crypto news. So currently, helium is up 20.5, cubics up 3.3, the Strata AI is up 4.8, Toshi's up 2.1, XDC's up 1.3, ZBCN, let's go, is up 11.4. Radium's up 3.4. XPX 6900 is up 3.5. AVAX is up 3%. Ordinance up 1. Baby Dodge is up 2.3. CRO is up 0.8. ASM is up 1%. And we'll see what else we can do. So let's check out XRP is at $3.18, up 0.35% in the last hour, down 1.2 in the last 24 hours, down 11% in the last week, up 44% in the month. 90 days were up 38.8, and for the year we're still up 427. Let's go. But as you can see, market cap is 188.7 billion. But let's get to some information. So this says, what is this first article? Whale activity and sale drop off. XRP surged nearly 3% as whales to exchange fell by 93% since early July as a clear bullish signal. Chain clinking money flows shows divergence, indicating high accumulation even during the price consolidation. So here's the article from Been in Crypto. XRP eyes new all-time high as whale sell pressure eases by 93%. XRP price climbed 3% as whales to exchange flow drops by 93 since July peak. Clinking money flows shows bullish diversion pointing to rising buyer demand despite slow price action. XRP breaks 3.37, so $3.37, as it could target 362 or 383 and potentially targeting $4. Let's go. XRP climbed nearly 3% today, showing renewed strength after a quiet week of consolidation. With momentum building across the market and Ethereum closing in the 4,000 mark, XRP back focused on trading the $3.28 to inching closer to a breakout zone that could shift its long-term trajectory. XRP selling, whale selling tapered off, opening the door for an upside. One of the strongest signals for XRP favors right now is the sharpest cool off in whale to exchange flows. The key matrix tracks larger holders' movements to exchanges, typically as a precursor to selling. On July 11th, this figure spiked to 43,575 XRP. As the July 28th, the flow dropped just to 695, 2009 65 XRP. A 93.2% decrease, signaling whales are no longer offloading the same intensity. Predictions after today's 3% surge, Ripple set to smash $4 as whales buy big, and experts predict a 60% rally. This is the Economic Times. XRP's price predictions heating up after token jumped 3% today and hit $3.24. Big crypto whales are buying billions, and top analysts believe Ripple could soon smash through the mark. Chart experts Peter Brandt sees a 60% rally coming, while others hint at a higher targets like $6 or $27. With strong technical signals and growing demand, many are asking, is the most profitable phase for XRP? If you're wondering whether to buy XRP under $5, now might be the time to watch this move closely. It's not financial advice, this is just for entertainment purposes. XRP is the green today, climbing over 3% to trade at 324, marking a fresh short-term high amidst gaining optimism across the crypto sector. The daily gain of zero point zero 0.07 plus 2.21% reflects renewed investor interest. Okay. Especially as analysts hit that XRP might be entering one of the most profitable phases yet. This increase is happening as whales increase their holdings and technical charts flash signs of potential breakouts to the $4 mark, with higher targets on the horizon if current trends continue. XRP entered the most profit. Is XRP entering its most profitable phase? Analysts say yes. XRP market and technical traders are now pointing to major bullish phase for XRP, according to analyst Elliott Wave Theory. XRP appears to be starting wave 3, typically the strongest leg in a 5-wave cycle. This wave often delivers the largest price accumulation during the bullish trend. One crypto analyst known as X-Force Global shared the current price structure supports a breakout that can propel XRP towards $4 and beyond, especially if it clears the resistance of $3 and the resistance of $3.30. Renewed chart analyst, famous for accurately predicting several major crypto moves, has identified compound fulcrum. I'm not even sure what that is. Formation on XRP weekly chart believes this pattern could spark a 60% surge, taking the price to $4.47 in incoming weeks or months. Brand's prediction aligns with XRP's current upward momentum, confirms bullish signals from both retail and institutional investors. He also noted XRP's price recently recorded the strongest weekly candle since November. So where is the accumulation? Or where are the numbers? Wells accumulates hit at stronger institutional interest. Behind the scenes, major addresses holding between 10 million and 100 million XRP now collectively own 8.3 billion XRP, which is around 14% of the circulating supply. Could XRP hit $27 in the future? Here's the Elliott Wave suggestions. $4 to $6 first profit taking zone during the current wave 3, 11 to 12, 11 to 13, a potential midterm target momentum beyond resistance 25 to 30, minimum projected upside for a full Elliott wave cycle. Through this would likely take time and a broader market support. So these guys are saying between $4 and $6. The first profit taking zone, 11 to 13 for the midterm, and 27 to 30. So let me know what you guys think about that. And we're going to go to the next little article here because articles have been kind of weird. See if we can close that out as well. So this next is XRP's prediction: whale moves and dominant wallet shake up XRP towards $6.90. Um, XRP today finds itself at a crucial junction, navigating between morning on-chain activities and bold $6.90 price target that continues to stir optimism among long-term traders. While technical data shows short-term bearish pressure, some analysts remain unfazed as XRP follows a carefully charted path towards new highs. On-chain metrics point to weakening momentum. XRP today hovers at 315, gaining over 2.8% when a 24-hour recording on July 26th. Despite earlier surges, recent activity across the XRPL ledger reveals signs of fatigue. Notably, the number of active addresses have declined sharply, down 44% from the peak of over 50,000 to around 28,000, according to Crypto Quant. XRP trading at $3.14, up 2.8% in the last 24 hours at press release. This drop in on-chain activity suggests a retreat in speculative demand. In essence, fewer users are interacting with the network, which often signals a weakened market conviction. As a result, XRP price faces increased headwinds and traders seemingly adopting a risk-off stance. So basically, they're saying since the trading volume is going down, people are starting to lose interest and the price is dipping. And I think it's been holding pretty steady. So we'll check out one more article. This is XRP today. XRP's price holds above $3 as well. Accumulation dives 14%. Supply floor eyes $4 target by the end of July. That's 3 freaking days, guys. 3 days these guys are saying it's going to be $4. Well accumulation of 14% XRP supply creates floor price supporting potential $4 target by the end of July 2025. Growing XRP ledger activities, including 7,500 plus daily new wallets, signals increased adoption and Bitcoin uh, outperformance. This supports at $2.95 and a resistance of 330 are critical for sustaining bullish momentum, with Elliott waves analysts suggesting wave 3 could accelerate gains. Well-driven stability reduces selling pressure, encouraging retail participants and reinforcing long-term bullish sentiment. XRP price has demonstrated resilience above the $3, driven by whales accumulation and robust support. The analysts suggesting a potential upward trajectory towards $4 by July 28th, which is today. Large investors holding between 10 and 100 million XRP have increased their combined holding to 8.3 billion tokens, 14% of the circulating supply. See, there's more information. I'm looking for pricing. I don't see. This is more about technical analysis. Highlights wave three targets, $3.82 based on the Fibonacci extensions. It's veteran trader Peter Brandt identifying a rare contribution pattern that could push the price up to $4.47. So let's check to see. It is not on here actually. Checking to see if we had Trader View. Let me open up the Trader View real quick from Whale Accumulation. Explains how 8.3 XRP, 8.3 billion, about 14% of the total supply, held by large whale wallets. Let me see. Tripping. See if we can look at the chart real quick. So this is the XRP chart in market cap. For some reason, it always pulls up market cap. So this is current price USDT. Currently, we got a green candle on the 15-minute chart. Looks like the RSI is coming up to 41.2. RSI base moving average is 33.8. Got a couple of volume increasing on the MACD on the 15-minute. On the 45-minute, it's like we're losing volume. RSI is coming down. RSI base moving average is 45.8. Got a couple of green candles on the 45-minute. Had a MACD cross and we're losing volume. On the 2-hour chart, and several red candles finally had a green candle and we're losing volume. MACD crossed and it's coming down. RSI is at the 44.1. RSI base moving average is 55.6. On the 4-hour chart, looks like it's coming up. Building volume had a MACD cross on the 4-hour. RSI remains at 45.3. RSI base moving average is 49.1. So let me know what you guys think about this. Do you think XRP is getting ready for a breakout? Looks possible on the 4-hour, but let me know what you guys think. And as always, let's get back to the money, guys, and stay dangerous. It's your main man BTM signing out. And as always, it's okay to be different or weird, but just make sure you stay consistent. And sometimes it's not you that's different or weird, it's everyone else. But as always, it's your main man BTM signing out. Happy Monday and see you soon. Don't forget to tune in live this afternoon with the Zibic updates. But thanks for joining and peace out. Miner out.